Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a review on the new holiday update for 2024. So here we go. I just got the update on a Hardware 3 car, FSD Hardware 3 with Intel processor. So let's see what we are going to be getting, if there's anything that's not included for Intel processor cars. This is a 2021 Model Y. If you're interested and need more information, please let me know. And yeah, let's get right into it. So we have the Apple Watch integration. I don't really carry an Apple Watch. I use Android, so I can't really test this one out for you guys. We have the mobile app dashboard viewer. So you can actually potentially use your phone to view your dashcam footage, and you can save it and all that stuff. So what you need to do is ensure that the camera via the mobile app settings on touchscreen is enabled, control safety. Then on your mobile, go to security, dashboard viewer, and then clips are end-to-end encrypted and can't be accessed by Tesla. So there we go. We have SiriusXM. So SiriusXM is also available as a audio player as well. So we've got that now included. There it is, SiriusXM. And set arrival energy. So now you can set the arrival temperature, the arrival preferred battery charge or state of charge where you arrive. So that'll be interesting to test out. We'll give that a go. Search along route. So while navigating, when you search for a location like coffee shop, blah blah blah, each result is also included as an estimated detour. So when you are actually navigating somewhere far away and you want to find something on the route, now you can whenever you search, it'll show up. So that's perfect, because I had that issue all the time actually. Whenever we wanted to go somewhere, we wanted to find a Starbucks nearby, we were never able to find the Starbucks that we want because it's showing us the ones very close to where we are currently, which is not great. But now that's fixed. We've got weather at destination, so this is very, very cool. Requires premium connectivity. I think I might have to get premium connectivity for a month just to test this out. The rear cross traffic alert, so when you're reversing, you'll get an indicator that something's in back behind you, so you'll get you'll get that cross traffic alert on your backup camera. Tune in, explore the new tune in radios on Tesla. So these are more stations and stuff for the current already available tune in audio player. Light Show update. So you've got the Light Show update, New Symphony by Lionel Yu, and Ready for Assault by Evgeny Bardyazo, whatever. So there we go. And now you can actually start the Light Show. I think you can play it through your phone and set it up through your phone right now. So that's an addition. That's a new one. So theater and video updates. So now you can actually play your media on your theater, and then when you get going on your drive, you can still actually listen to the audio. So that's pretty cool. So you don't really need to. Normally, when you put it on drive or reverse while the theater is on, it'll just stop altogether. But now the audio will continue playing. So that's pretty cool. Seat controls. So now you can control the passenger seat next to you, or when there's the unoccupied passenger seat, and their controls and seats. Maintenance summary. So this features provides a record of when common maintenance actions were last performed and recommends when to perform the next. So this is pretty cool. We'll check it out on the service maintenance menu. And these are some minor updates as well that are coming up or are available with this update as well. So I'm not going to go through all of these, but one of them to point out is when you're reversing, it lowers the volume automatically, so you can go to control safety and lower the volume over there. So let's check these out, and let me know if I forget anything, but let me know in the comments below if there's something that is missing on the Intel processor, which is the one that I have, and if you want me to test it out on my hardware 4, I can do a follow-up video. I've got the Ryzen processor on that one, but I still don't have the update on that car because it's currently running the latest FSD. So we'll start by energy. So now we've got the consumption tab back running. I think they refreshed it a little bit, so it's got more details here. I really like this graph. I remember when they removed it, it was a little bit of a disappointment, but there you go. We've got it back now. So now if we go to seats, we can see here that we can control the seat next to us. There we go. And I'll show you here how it's moving. I'm pressing up and down, and you can slide it up and down. But I don't think you can do any more other controls other than that. But that is pretty cool that we have that. So here we go. If we go to schedule car show, light show, we've got different. We've got the new ones over here. Ready for Assault, Cyber Symphony. So that's pretty cool. Let's see here. I think we have under emissions, fart on contact. So this is, let's see here if it. Yeah, so once you sit down, it actually starts farting. So when sit happens, so that's pretty cool. We'll try the set arrival energy and the search along route, the weather. But let's try the mobile app dashboard. So that's one that I'm pretty interested about. It sucks that it's only during, I mean, if you have the premium connectivity, but we'll test it out with premium connectivity. I'll just subscribe here very quickly. Live camera and mobile app dashboard. This is all the normal stuff. So you can enable it from here. And then, let's see if there's any other options. Allow mobile access. I think that's about it. Lower volume and reverse, so that's the new one as well. So I'll turn that on actually, because I think that's quite important. Now let's bring up the app over here. Sentry mode, recording previews. Oh, so it doesn't actually show us anything over here. Interesting. Go to security dash cam viewer. So it might be under iOS mobile because I don't see it over here on my app. And I've got Android, so I don't think it's actually. Let me try and see if there's an update for the app. It seems to be enabled and everything, but it might need an app update of some sort. Because under my app, I don't seem to have dash cam videos here. I only have the Sentry mode recording previews, which is typically always empty actually. So let me know in the comments below if you know how to access this feature, or if it's enabled by or if it's not available for Intel processors, because that's an interesting one. So this is a new one under service, under maintenance. We've got here all the different maintenance summary. This is pretty cool. So it tells us the last time we did our maintenance and what's overdue. So rotation, I actually did just rotate this. So let's hit record. And I think it just does it. Reset mileage since last time. Yeah, so tire rotation. So seasonal tire swap. So what I did is I rotated to winters here. So let's do that. Press brake, pedal, and reset. So it does the reset for us. There we go. So update complete. So that's done. So that's pretty cool. HEPA filter replacement. So yeah, I need to do that. Tire rotation, I guess. Wheel alignment as needed. Windshield camera area precision cleaning. Oh wow. I don't know what does that mean. Let's click on that and see. So windshield camera area precision cleaning. Clean inside of the windshield in the camera area for clear visibility and optimal camera functionality. How do you clean inside of the windshield? Inside of the windshield in the camera area. There's no way you can do that. I think you just have to remove the whole housing. Not sure. So it does. So if I hit record, you are about to create a record in the vehicle service history, which will update the next recommended service date. So yeah, I haven't really done it, so I'll just remove this one. Yeah, this is an interesting one. I think we should be finding a way to do that. And then you have request service over here on the top right. And it seems like you can request and select the item of which you want on the schedule service, so that you can do that on the app, and then you request service and then select whatever you want. Let's say we want to go to the play unleashed. That's where we take our dogs sometimes for. So there we go. So now if I want to say Oh, there we go. So you've got the new option here. Set set arrival energy. And then you can play around with this. Oh, wow. I'm weird. That doesn't let us go below 65. I wonder why. Trip planner adjusts charging stops and duration based on your setting. Stay below 101 to reach destination above 60%. So it gives us that option there. I wonder why it doesn't let us go below this. Maybe because it wants to set us up for success. Yeah, this is an interesting one. And then, yeah, let's check out the weather. Oh, weird. We don't have the weather here. Yeah. So maybe we have to go to a further destination. Let's say Banff. If we want to go to Banff, which is the mountain areas next to us here, do we get the option for the... Oh, so you can set arrival energy here as well. There's a shortcut. Oh, and then now we can set it down to, let's say, 5%. So if we set it down to 5%, then it doesn't tell us to stop anywhere. And then if we bump it up, so it automatically bumps down the... So yeah, then it tells us we can stop by Canmore to charge faster over there. I'm not getting the weather update. Oh, and now it's preconditioning. Let's not do that. Huh. Interesting. I wonder why I don't get the weather. We should really be stopping. So I don't know. It's not really showing for me as an option. But technically, it should show me the other one, which is the Kananaskis one that is trailer friendly. So I'm not sure if that update is actually active in Canada. Um, that makes me think a little bit about it. So let me know also in the comments below. So there seems like to be a lot of weird stuff that is not actually in place. So that's interesting. So the other thing is also if we go to service, control service, we can go to charge port heater. So let's try that. Let's go to service. We already went through maintenance. Where's the charge port? There's the charge port heater. So clicking that on actually just turned it on. I'm not sure if on the app it'll probably be available or not, but and I'm not sure why that is really required. I never really had any issues, and typically, actually, I've never needed to heat my charge port, even in freezing conditions. But that's if you're parked outside in freezing conditions and you want to make sure that your connector is not going to be frozen on, then you can select that on and get it to heat the charge port. So that's a very good update for us in cold climate conditions. So weather at destination seems like it's not working for me, and maybe that's an Intel thing. Search along route, that's working. So let's actually test that out here. So let's say Banff, and then so let's say add stop, and then let's say Starbucks. Oh, and there we go. So we can see Starbucks see locations, and it'll probably pin them through the um, through my route here, and it shows you which one adds how many minutes to my route. So that's pretty cool. That's a really nice update. So search along route worked. Weather at destination didn't work. We'll test out rear cross traffic alert very shortly here. I can do it right at the entrance of our house here. But let's try the theater. So let's say we put the theater on. Let's say we just put YouTube. So let's say we're watching Cold Envy's latest snowfall video. Obviously, you're not going to be watching anything other than my videos on YouTube, obviously. So then if we say we put our reverse on, well, maybe that's available when parked. Interesting. So it's not really showing me how does that really work? Start the video in the browser before your drive to enjoy your oops. Find a video. So it's only a video on the web browser. So let's try that. So now that my video is playing on the browser, now it plays on the card here. Awesome. And then now, if we go on, nice. So yeah, it's still playing. Awesome. So that's the way it works. You can't actually use it on the YouTube app or the theater app. It's only on the browser. And of course, obviously, you're just going to play Cold Envy videos. You're not going to watch any other YouTuber. Just kidding. So that's that one. So I think we tested everything except for the rear cross traffic alert. So we'll do that right now. So here we go. There's a car coming in from the right. Oh wow, didn't show anything. Might be the snow that's interfering. Okay, so we've got two cars coming in from the left. Let's see. Nothing. Nothing. I wonder how close do we have to be to traffic. So we've got a car coming in from the left. Let's see if that's going to indicate anything now that we're closer to the road. Nope, nothing. Let's reverse just a little bit more. So we've got a car coming in from the left. Let's see if that's going to trigger anything now that we're a little bit closer to the road. Nope, doesn't seem like it. Okay, so we've got a bus coming in from the right. Let's see if that's going to trigger anything here. That's going to be coming up very close to us. Wow, okay. Nothing really triggering, so I'm not sure if this update's actually working or not. And that bus had to like really, that bus had to really go further away from my back, so that indicates that it's really close to me. So unless it's probably very that the vehicle or whatever has to be really close to the car, might be. So I'm gonna probably need a little bit more testing around this. Please let me know in the comments below if this actually works with you as well. That'll be interesting to know. So yeah, it's a bust on um, some of these holiday updates. So I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna wait until I get this on my hardware 4 Ryzen computer. So let's see if that there's any differences there, and I'll probably set you guys up for an update after that. So yeah, the trailer-friendly superchargers, it's not really showing up. Tap a supercharger location pin on the map to see whether it's trailer-friendly or not. So let's try that again. Actually, supercharger. See, this is not trailer-friendly. I'm not getting an icon at all. This one's not trailer friendly. This one, which is definitely trailer friendly, is not really showing here as trailer friendly. So, interesting. Let's try maybe the ones over here. These are definitely trailer friendly. I remember they have dedicated ones. Let's try the Medicine Hat one. Not trailer friendly. Maple Creek. Nope. Yeah, it's interesting. I don't think it's showing correct information here. And for sure, there's something up. Yeah, folks, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you really liked it. If you did like it, please hit like and please subscribe to my channel. Help me a lot. Please hit the notification bell so that you get indicated whenever a video drops. That'll help me a lot. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. Until next time, we'll talk later. And happy holidays. And enjoy the holiday update by Tesla. Have a good one.